take his leash off.
Beau on the video, his first big swing.
Put the feet in.
They might get us for animal abuse on that one. He don't look too bad there. You like swinging, Beau? On this nice August day in 2012?
Oh. I got you, buddy. One day myself this swinging.
We should have took him to church with us today.
We were stupid, Dad, remember? Nordstrom?
Yeah, you'd be like Nordstrom's. Beau. There you go. Let him go. Say, hey, Beau. Hey, Beau. What you doing? That's a good one. Hey, Beau. Hey, Beau. Hey, Beau. Hey, Beau. Hey, Beau. Hey, Beau. Look, come look at the camera. Say, hey, Beau. Hey, Beau. Say bye, Beau. Just a swinging, sitting on the front porch, just a swinging. What you doing? What you doing? Bye, Beau.